kaibigan, if you notice I'm wearing this, I refuse to take it off because pasensya na po kayo ha. I will not, kasi po, kinareer ko po talaga yung makabalik on stage. I went on a diet. And thank you, Bella, for helping me out. Kita nyo naman yung result. Because I wanted so much to be perfect for you tonight, guys. I really wanted to be. And in doing that, like I said, I have forgotten to be a good wife to my wonderful and loving and so supportive husband. And also, I've given... Thank you. I've given so little time for my boo-boo who's here tonight. Come, boo. And I also wanted to be perfect tonight for my Jerry. Uy, ang balita, libre na daw ang MOA. Ano. Sana lahat din ang nasa stage libre. Tumango naman si Mr. Shi. Ha? Sana libre din daw yung Pasay. Bubu. Lahat na lang nilibre. Ang kakapal naman ang mukha nyo. Oh. Hi, Bubu Bear. Hi. Mommy's sick tonight. But see, everybody's still here, Baba. Everybody's still here. This is for you, my baby. After tonight, you and me are good, okay? I love you so much. For all the times I felt cheated, I complained. Know how to cry. For all the wrong I repeated, though I was to blame, I still was not ready.